So friends, let's start with today's lovely recipe. Now here I've taken 50 grams of raisins and I'm going to soak them in 3 tablespoons of brandy. Now you can soak them for 5 to 6 hours or even overnight. Now I'm going to melt about 1 cup of dark chocolate in my double boiler. So keep stirring till the chocolate melts. I'm going to separate 4 eggs, separate the yolks and the whites in 2 separate bowls. Now I'm going to add 75 grams of sugar to the egg yolks and stir them really well. I'm also going to whisk my egg whites. We don't want to make them frothy, but we just want to whisk them a bit. And now we're going to add this egg yolk and sugar mixture to the egg whites. Stir the mixture well. Now stir the chocolate. And now we're going to add these soaked raisins to our egg mixture. Now I've also prepared my steamer. Now I'm going to add the melted chocolate to this egg mixture and mix it in really well. So see that the mixture is nice and smooth and even. Now I've just greased a 6x6 pan and I'm going to add this entire mixture to the pan. And now we're just going to place this pan in the steamer that we've prepared and we're going to cover it and we're going to steam it on a high flame for 15 minutes. So I've just filled my steamer with water, let it come to a boil, and then I've placed the pan in it. Now after 15 minutes, we're going to let the steamer cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to check if the pudding is ready by just inserting a toothpick, and the toothpick should come out clean. If it doesn't, then just let it cook for another 5 minutes or so. So now I'm going to let the pudding cool completely. And again, you can see that it's completely cooked. Just going to loosen the edges a bit. And then I'm just going to invert it over my plate. Tap the top a little. And there it is, your chocolate and raisin pudding is all ready. So you can just cut it up and serve it either warm or cool. So there was no flour or maida or anything used in this. It's a very light and very nice pudding, something very different. So do give this recipe a try and let me know how you liked it. I'll catch you in my next recipe. See you soon. Bye. Also friends, don't forget to check out all my Christmas recipes. I have loads and loads of Christmas sweet recipes and I'll leave all of those links below. So there are marzipan fruits that I've prepared and uploaded the recipe recently. There's this lovely light ribbon cake. Then there's the traditional kalkal recipe that I've uploaded. Then this is beautiful babinka and I've shown you a very easy way to get it absolutely perfect with the 7 layers. Then there's this beautiful marble cake which is really moist and delicious. Then the traditional chana dos recipe. This is the East Indian coconut cordial baskets. Then the lovely milk cream, which is my favorite Christmas sweet. Then I've come up with something new, which is the swirl cookies this year. So do check them out. You can make them in any colors of your choice. Then of course the traditional marzipan, date rolls. Then of course perad or guava cheese. Then the traditional Goan bolinas. Also rose cookies. And there are many, many more. So don't forget to go and check out the list. It is in the description box below. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed,
there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.